In this video, I will show you how to connect your Canva website to your Namecheap domain. So right here, I have a Canva website and I'll show you how I can connect this and publish it with my Namecheap domain. So first, open up the Canva website and go to the Publish Website section here. Then you can see the regular domain, but if you click Edit, you can click Get a New Domain. From here, simply click Bring Your Own Domain. This is limited to people that are paying for Canva, so you need to be on the Pro plan. I am, so from there you can then just click Continue. Now here, type in the domain that you own on Namecheap, so for me, danimakestutorials.online, and click Continue. Then here, click on Review Steps, and then you need to add some records, and I'll show you how to do this. First, you need to add an A record. So the host is at, and the value or points to, simply copy this. Now what you want to do is open up Namecheap, and usually if you go to the website, you will see this. Just go to Account, and then click Dashboard right here and sign in. And then here go to your list of domains or domain list, and there you will find all of the domains that you currently own in Namecheap. So for me, the danimakestutorials.online one, now click Manage, and then here click Advanced DNS. Then if you already have some records, first you want to go and remove those records and then add your first new record. So click Add New Record, set an A record for the host, type in add, and the IP address, simply paste it in. Then click Save Changes. Now go back to Canva and click Record Edit. Then next you need to add another A record. So it's www for the host and then points to, again, copy this. And then add a new record, another A record, host is www, IP address, again, paste it in, and click Save Changes. Now there's one more we need to add, so click Record Edit, and now we need to add a txt record with the name or host being at, and the value or points to, simply copy this. So add a new record, and all the way down here you will find txt record, and for the host, again, it's at, then the value, paste it in, and click Save Changes. So after you add both A records and the txt record, click on the final record edit and click I have updated my DNS records. Now it's syncing your domain to the internet. It can be done within 20 minutes. It usually is even, but it can take up to 72 hours in some cases. Now just click use this domain. Now you can see it's danimakestutorials.online. Now you can also set a subpath. So for example, home or website, whatever. Then click publish. And now it's preparing your design and publishing it to the internet under the domain that you connected from Namecheap. So you can now see it's danimakestutorials.online/home. Now currently it may not work yet, although it actually already works, but sometimes it can take some more time to propagate and to fully redirect it to the correct place. So now you know how to connect your Canva website to your Namecheap domain. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.